Welcome back to Trail Talk. Alex here, your neighborhood dog walker. I'm at the beach, hanging out, and I want to show you the wonderful things training. So we got dogs and birds. I mean, they're pretty much within reach if Theo over there swims out a little bit, but they are more concerned about having fun with each other and understand that we do not chase wildlife. BC coastlines, most of the coastline is protected by the Migratory Bird Association or something like that. Don't quote me on that. And you can get fined if your dog is caught chasing birds. Sitka! Good boy. So we help them to not. Good job, buddy. But everyone else is just having a great time at the beach. Lots to sniff, lots to chase, and we're having a blast. Okay, enjoy, everyone. Till next time, happy trails.